Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 GMC Terrain, and in this short video I will show you which fuses to check in case your heated or memory mirrors are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now, to lift this cover, you will have two black clips, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So to open it, to unlock it, you want to press this together and lift it straight up. And you will do the same thing with the other one. Press together and lift up. Okay, once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this white piece, this is your fuse remover, which you can use to remove any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 27, which is a 7.5 amp fuse responsible for power to the memory mirror module. Second fuse to check, it's fuse number 33, which is a 10 amp red fuse responsible for power to the heated mirrors. So this is your heated mirrors fuse. And the last fuse worth checking, which is responsible for power to the mirrors, it's fuse number 45, which is again 7.5 amp fuse located here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.